What's up guys, my name is Aaron from 2 Minute Tech, where I do all the tips, tricks, news, reviews, and how-tos fast. And the first accessory that I would recommend for your smartphone is actually a wallet case. Now, I know a lot of people may be thinking that I'm selecting a wallet case because I'm an old dude and I've got a little bit of gray in my beard, but realistically the reason why I'm recommending a wallet case for you is you probably have NFC payments on your phone. If you haven't set up an NFC or near field communication payment system on your smartphone, you're really missing out. It's way faster, usually a lot more secure than paying with a credit card. Most of the time you just quickly enable the authentication on your phone that you would normally use to unlock it, and then you just hold it near the reader and you're done. There's no do I swipe, do I put in the chip, do I put in the pin, what do I do? You just hold up your phone, press your button, and you're good to go. So if you're looking for a wallet case, I would actually recommend this one from a company called Flye, F-L-Y-E-E, that you can find on Amazon. It also has some almost ports here on the top, so if you're listening to music and you want your audio to come out of the speaker, it's got a little vent in there to let that come out, as well as a really nice texture to it with a nice little leather strip along the bottom. It does have 3 credit card slots on the side and also a window so you can see your ID, as well as a little pouch to kind of stick cash in behind all those credit card slots. And one of the things I really love about this case is the fact that when you open it up, you can actually flip out the bottom of it to make a nice stand for watching YouTube videos on your phone. So that's my first pick. Chris, what do you got?
That's a great first pick, Aaron. So my first must-have smartphone accessory is something everyone's going to end up replacing or needing an extra one of, and that's a charging cable. So I went with the Powerline Plus lightning cable from Anker. It's made of an incredibly strong double braided nylon with reinforced stress points and very durable ends. The included felt carrying pouch allows you to neatly adjust the cable length depending on where you're charging. The cable has a very premium look and feel to it, and it's much better quality than the cable that originally comes with your smartphone. The carrying pouch also offers some protection for your cable while traveling. The Powerline Plus cable is available for most smartphones and is available in 3-foot, 6-foot, and 10-foot lengths. You can pick it up in 3 different colors: white, gray, and red.
I really love braided nylon cables. They remind me of old vintage guitar cables. Really nice cloth wrap that makes it super durable and long lasting. That's a great first pick.
Thanks, Aaron. It's definitely one of the best built cables that I've ever used. What's your second pick?
Chris, you could actually take that cable that you recommend and plug it into this, the Aki USB-C Car Charger. Now, I've actually done a video on this product before, but I had to bring it back because it really is one of the best car chargers that you can get on the market in 2018. Not only can you charge your smartphone with this, but you can also charge USB-C PD devices such as laptops, your Nintendo Switch, tablets, whatever you got. Pretty much this thing could charge it. So if you do drive a lot, I definitely recommend that you check out the charger from Aki. It does have fast or quick charging speeds as well, so if you have a phone that supports that protocol, you're going to be all set. So that's my number 2 pick. Chris, what say you?
Aaron, my next item is a skin for your smartphone, which is a great alternative to a phone case. And for that skin, I'm rocking the Leather Series skin from Slick Wraps. It provides protection from small nicks and scratches, and is great if you don't like the bulk of a phone case. It gives your smartphone a sense of style and really makes it stand out. Slick Wrap skins are available for almost every smartphone and are available in a variety of designs, and they even allow you to create custom designs. So if you don't see something you like, you can create your own. Aaron, what do you have for your last item?
So if you decide that you're a little too young and hip to go with a wallet case and you want to go with that slick skin that Chris put on his phone, you're still going to need something to prop up your phone for when you watch our YouTube videos. So I recommend this mount from Manfrotto for your phone. Now Manfrotto is a company that's really known for making really high-end quality tripods, and that's kind of what this particular mount is mainly meant for. It does actually have a female threaded jack in the bottom of it so that you could actually mount it on a tripod. If you wanted to start your own YouTube channel with a smartphone, I'd recommend you check this out. So my favorite thing about the Manfrotto mount is that it actually has a kickstand on it. So if you're out at lunch, eating up your Chipotle, you can clip this to your phone, flip out the kickstand, and watch all the Game of Thrones that you can handle. So that's it for my list. Chris, what's your third pick?
Aaron, thanks again for having me on the channel. My last item is a set of dust plugs from a company called Port Plugs. These dust plugs do exactly what they're meant to do. They keep dust and debris out of the ports on your smartphone and are available in any port style: Lightning, micro USB, or USB Type-C. They come in a variety of colors and are either made of aluminum for a premium look or silicone for a more discreet look. I decided to pick up a pack of 5 sets of clear silicone plugs. The best part is, If you get a set that includes a plug for the headphone jack, it doubles as a SIM ejection tool.
So that wraps it up. Guys, if for some reason you haven't checked out Chris's channel yet, you can do so by clicking right here. Chris, again, thanks so much for setting up this collaboration and really doing a lot of the heavy lifting. I really appreciate you. And everyone, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.